today we are hiking through
Mount
Buffalo National Park. And our first stop is the Ladies Bath waterfalls. Absolutely phenomenal view so far, and just have a look at these waterfalls.
Come into the clearing here.
This is so tiring. We've literally walked about, we've walked like 800 meters, but it's just been sheer uphill. So we're coming back down. We've seen some pretty epic waterfalls. It's so cool here. It's really beautiful. I'm so excited to get further up the mountain to see some more epic stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying this day trip as much as I am. Also saw a spider. My first sort of wild Australian spider. Don't know what it was. Didn't look that big or scary, but you know, you don't know what these things are, so gotta be careful. Let's hope that's the last one, eh?
I see something in this bushes.
Hello.
Oh, it's a vlogger.
We've come onto this trail, which is literally stunning, and there are little brown poops everywhere. So I'm thinking like some kind of koala maybe, or kangaroo, or a little bear, drop bear might have come through here. I don't know. We're on the lookout for some wildlife. Pretty exhausting, but so worth it. We are at the top of Mount Buffalo, and it looks insane. Oh my god! Yeah. Oh my god, this is epic. It's bloody cold up here. Like, we passed some snow on the road, and we've been driving for a good half an hour. So yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch, have a rest, take in the sights, and hopefully get some cute pictures at the top. The Mount Buffalo Chalet, giving us big Twin Peaks vibes. The beautiful pool, summertime. It's terrifying. And here at the top you've got a little ski slope, tiny little ski slope there, and the visitor centre, which is closed. Crazy how you can go from tropical kind of climate to this in the space of a few hours. It's pretty.